Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Negi. So guys, in our today's session we will discuss like how we can add, commit and push the code on GitHub using Git bash. Okay. So guys, this is my GitHub locations and I have created few projects and let's suppose I'm just choosing this project, and inside this project I have created few branch, and let's suppose I'm selecting any of the branch. Let's suppose slave branch. Okay. And I also select this slave branch on the Eclipse. Okay, so in my Eclipse you can say in slave branch we have these 5 Java files, and also inside this test package for the slave branch we have these 5 Java files. Okay, 5 Java files. Okay. So guys, what we need to do, we will do few changes, or we can say like we will add some code or update some code, and we will just add and commit and push the code using git bash. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to, let's suppose one class file with name test1 with main method. So I'm giving a message like I am test1. Okay, and also I am going to create one more file with name test2, and inside this test2 I'm just putting this message as I am in test2. Okay, so guys, you guys can just see these two files like test1 and test2 I have just added right now. So these files, you can see the symbol as question mark over here. It means these files are not available on your, we can select upstream branch or GitHub location. Okay, so what we will do, we will just go to the location of this project, so that we will just start our git bash. Okay, so guys, inside this git project, right click here. So guys, this is our prerequisite, like we just need to install git in our system, so that we can just see these options, like these two options, git GUI and git bash here. Okay, so click on this git bash here. So once you click on this git bash here, you can directly see our currently project has, you can see like currently on slave branch, like this on slave branch, and also you guys can see this is our slave branch. Okay, so guys, what we will do, we just write this message like git status. So once you click on this git status, you can just see these files which is marked in red. You can say like all these files are in your local systems, but these copies not available on your, we can say like upstream branch, or we can say like on our GitHub location. Okay, so we just need to add these files in our, we can say GitHub location. Okay, so what we will do, we will just use some commands. Okay, so guys, git add command is basically used for adding the files. Okay, so we can either use the particular files or multiple files. Okay, for the particular files, we just need to give that particular file name. Okay, for all the files we just need to click on this dot symbol. So once I click on this dot and click enter, or all these files will add. Okay, so let's suppose I just need to add only a single file. So guys, one more thing which we need to understand here, like we just give the complete path for this project. If I just for this file, if I just want to send, or we can say like add on this single file, let's suppose I just want to add this file test1.java. If I write this test1.java, then it will just send one error message like this file didn't match any files. Okay, so this test.java. Okay, so what we need to do, we just give the complete path. Okay, let's suppose I just want to send, or we can say I just want to add only this file. So what I will do, I will just add this location, this file only. So now if I again git status, if I again use this command, so you guys can see this test1.java, this, we can say like this message is converted from your red symbol to, we can say like red font to green font. It means this file will be in your staged locations. Okay, from unstaged location to staged locations. Okay, it means this single file will be added, and this single file will be moved to your upstream branch, like slave branch. Okay, so what we need to do, we have added the code. The next step, we need to commit the code. So git commit, with the help of this git commit, we can commit the code. So guys, there is one other option, like with the help of -n, we can also give the commit message, and it is, we can see like some recommending approach, or we can see like some good approach to give the message along with commit, so that in the future you can easily understand like what this message is basically used for, and we can see some other developer or some other people can easily understand that what is the meaning of this commit over here. Okay, let's suppose added test1.java file. Okay, so you can also add the purpose of this file or some other things also. Okay, so once you click on this enter, so this file, okay, so it means this file has been added. Okay, so you can see one file changed. Okay, and this 9 insertions means the 9 number of lines is added over here. Okay, so you can see like in this test1.java we have these 9 lines. Okay, 9 insertions. Okay, so after committing the code, we just push the code, git push. So git push is basically, we can say like pushing the code from your local to your, we can say like origin branch. Okay, so you guys can see like it's just remote location, it is resolving the data and send the 100% file. It means that like all the changes which I want to send, okay, to this location, like to https github this project location. Okay, from my slave branch, my local branch to slave branch origin branch. Okay, so once you go over here, you guys can see currently we have these 5 files only. So once I click on this refresh button, you guys can see this change, like we have test1.java is also here. Okay, so guys, I just added a single file only, that's why I am able to see this file. Okay, so inside this test1.java, you guys can see I added this code, like I am in test1. So guys, this time I am just modifying the code. Let's suppose I am in test1 modify, and in this time if I use the same command like get status, you can just see like again test1 is Java is again in the red symbol. It means there has been some unstaged file available for this test1.java. Okay, so this time guys I am using get add dot. Okay, so this add dot is basically add all the files. So now you guys can see all these green fonts are of these meanings, like this file will be changed from unstaged location to staged location. Okay, so what we need to do, we just need to do that, send the commit message, like edit this file, or we can say like we can say update slave branch. So after committing, this time you can say 4 files changes with these 14 insertions. Okay, and few deletions also available. Might be some deletions and changes. Okay, in some of these files, like in dot class path or some other files. Okay. So now I just need to push the code. Okay. So once I enter on this command like git push, then this commit, we can say like all these add or commits will be moved over, we can see like origin. Okay, so you guys can see I'm just refreshing this page. So once I refreshing the page, you guys can see like I am in test1 modify. It means it just change this file, and a part of this you can also see in the test package we have test1 as well as test2 files. Okay, so guys, in this video we just discuss all the point, like how we can add the code, how we can add a single code or multiple code, we can say single file or multiple file, how we can give a commit message, and how we can just push the code my local branch to my origin branch. Okay, so guys, this is the overall session. So if you have any query, any doubt regarding this session, you can just directly ping or you can directly message me